In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Subflow in Salesforce. So the first thing that you'll need to do is go over to Quick Settings and click on Open Advanced Setup. Next thing that you'll need to do is go over and search for Process Automation down here. On Platform Tools, click on the Expand button, and you will find Flows right here. Click on Flows, and here you will click on New Flow. So we will be creating a new flow. So once you've clicked on New Flow, it will take you to the flow builder, and you can choose from which category that you want. So for example, I'll choose screen right here and choose a screen flow. And all you need to do is just add an element and add a subflow which launches another active flow. So if you have a flow, you can add a subflow which adds another active flow. So for example, if you click on subflow, I have all of the flows that are active right here. And you can choose, for example, I'll choose generate payment link. I'll name this generate payment link, and the API would be the same, and just click on save. Now you can also save the flow. For example, this would be our subflow example, and just click on save. And that's about it. That's how to use Subflow in Salesforce. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll do my best to help you out.